we tend to think of microbes as being harmful, things that cause disease. And as a result, a lot of money and effort has been devoted to that. What we have ignored is that there is a myriad of microbes out there that are not there to cause us harm, but in fact we've evolved with them and we have adapted to become healthy in the context of those microbes. Microbes in our bodies provide protection from obesity, metabolic disease, and even promote healthy aging. And very little is known about the mechanisms of how they do that. And the more we understand how a microbe can promote health in a human, the better we can harness it as a therapeutic. What attracted me to Duke was the people. They identify talented, creative people who then are given free rein to explore. This is kind of like what I think is the secret sauce of Duke. You can have shiny equipment, you can have all the kinds of bells and whistles, but is there really the people behind them, operating them, coming up with important questions that is really the key to success?